For everybody that doesn't quite know about Approyo, can you give us kind of like a real high level of what you guys do and who you serve?
Certainly. So we serve companies that run or want to run SAP software. Now, SAP software is the largest enterprise resource planning software on the planet. It's ERP. So you have SAP and you have Oracle. With that SAP software comes a lot of needs. Companies don't necessarily want to take on the responsibility of migrating it or upgrading or running it themselves on a day to day basis. They just want to use it. And so we take on all those responsibility. We sell them licenses, we upgrade or implement, we put them into different clouds because of the S4 migration process going on, which is the largest upgrade cycle in history.
Hmm.
And then we provide that long-term care for these organizations around the globe that makes them we take care of them and make sure that they're taken care of in a very, very professional manner and a very secured manner with our tools and our teams.
Can you talk to the S4 and the HANA and kind of how one is the car and one is the engine?
Yes. So HANA is the engine for the S4 Rise. Consider S4 Rise just the next variation. You had R3, you had ECC, now you've got S4, and now Rise is the mandatory cloud activities that companies have to go to. And the S or the HANA component of that is the database. And that's the engine. That's an in-memory database that allows organizations to be able to run activities much faster because it's in a very compressed state, being in memory. HANA's the engine, S4 Rise is the car, and it's really a nice Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bentley GTS convertible, baby powder blue, white interior. Sorry, I'm thinking about my car, the
Yeah,
car that I want
I'll take one.
someday.
I'll take one. So, who is like the ideal customer for Approyo? I mean, what's the ideal client for you guys?
So I used to say any company running SAP is a company that we can help. Now, I still believe in that in my heart, and I tell people that we can help any company that runs SAP software to a degree. But what really is our focus is we work with companies that are $2 billion in revenue on down. Companies that can make decisions fast to have a intelligent company support them and support their needs of their SAP environment, who can sell them their licenses, who can upgrade them, who can run their systems for them and manage that system so they don't have to hire 3, 5, 10, 20 different people. They so they can also have a company that doesn't silo them. You don't, we do the database, we do the application, we do the operating systems. We take all of that and put it together and we take care of all of that 24 by 7, 365. And then we've got a great tool called Overwatch. And that Overwatch tool manages, monitors, and supports the entire landscape for them, not just the SAP, but it will take care of everything and it will tell about encryption. We'll talk about security. We'll talk about end users. And it's great because it's got predictive analytics with it. So we're constantly being fed data, and that data can be used to make better decisions on the landscape and to be proactive rather than reactive, which a lot of companies unfortunately are stuck with. They're being very reactive because if a system is starting to go down or a disk drive goes down, they have to react to it. We proactively let everybody know, hey, this hit this schema, this mark. We know when this is going to go down. We need to make adjustments to this immediately. And so it's wonderful for us in that regard.
Interesting. And how much is AI incorporating into this whole process for you guys?
Oh, it's wonderful. Our Overwatch tool is literally AI based. It's all predictive analytics. It's all AI based attachments. We built it from the ground up using the best and brightest of artificial intelligence from an open source community activities. And so we use it continuously. SAP has gravitated towards the AI initiatives. So those AI initiatives are being run inside of SAP as well, and we connect with those, and it works wonderfully. We're using other tools. So our coding tools, we use Claude to validate and verify all of our code before we run anything from a development standpoint.
Hmm,
We're using other AI based tools to make sure that those activities are being taken care of. We also let organizations know about other tools and how they can integrate those tools once they have clean data. So it is top of mind for me every day.
interesting. Yeah, it's really come a long way in the past 2 or 3 years.
Oh, God, yes. And it used to be old machine learning. We used to strap 20, 50 Dells together and use all the compute power together. Um, well, literally, lock, stock, and barrel used to be the old school machine learning, and now it's called AI, artificial intelligence.